Start typing while sipping your favorite coffee and get paid for up to $75 daily. You just have to make sure that you're doing it right. However, if you don't feel like typing, you can just copy and paste it if you like. And keep on watching as I show you exactly how to do it. Plus, this website's registration is completely free. You don't have to pay anything in advance, and you don't need any writing experience. So without further ado, let's begin with a tutorial. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The very first step is for you to log on to your computer or mobile phone. This can now be done on your smartphone, and it doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone. You can still do this from anywhere in the world. Now I want you to go to this really significant website, which is typingtest.com, and it is here that you may take a 60-second typing test. It's vitally crucial. When you get to this website, click on this typing test and you'll be taken to this page where you can see Welcome to the world's most popular typing speed test, with over 4 million tests performed every month. So you can select 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, and then select text sentences or words that are extremely crucial. I'd like you to log in and select the 1 minute test option, so we'll do it for 60 seconds. And then I'd like you to click on the text and then on more options. I want you to click on this Start Typing task. What is more amazing and convenient is that you can do this on your phone. As you can see, you can start typing by clicking or tapping over here. Then they have a timer right here for 1 minute, which is 60 seconds, and they'll measure how fast you can type. So for example, if I start typing a certain word, the timer will start running, and they'll show me how fast I type. This web server is typingtest.com. Do you have any idea how fast you can type on your phone or computer? If you go to this website and click on typing practices or typing courses, they will give you a free course and a free training to help you type faster. The reason for this is that this video will show you a few websites that can help you make money online by simply typing, and the faster you type, the more money you can make. Now I'll show a couple of websites where you can make money online by simply typing. So I want to show you that they're basically covering worldwide and any country in the world. So this is going to be the first website which I want to show you that can help you make even more money online. See right here, $1.25 per minute. Now let's go on the internet calculator and let's try to do the math. $1.25 per minute, or $1.35 per minute. Now, if you type for 60 minutes or 1 hour, you can make $75. If you type for 3 hours, you can earn $225. And if you type for 5 hours, you can earn up to $375 by simply typing on this page. As a result, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is very legitimate and a true organization that has been trusted by over 170,000 people from various industries all over the world. Now I want you to head over to rev.com and go to the home page. You can see that transcription is $1.25 per minute, and captions are also charged with $1.25 per minute for international subtitles that range from $3 to $7 per minute. It's actually an edge if you're from a foreign country. For example, if you're from India and know Hindi or another language in your country, you can help them put subtitles on the videos or translate the videos from Hindi to English or English to Hindi. This is where you can earn a lot of money. As you can see here, 3 dots up to $7 per minute. Now let's see how much money you can get. For example, you make roughly $5 per minute on average, which means you may earn $300 per hour simply by producing subtitles if you speak a foreign language. As a result, this will be a fantastic chance for people from all over the world. Now, if you're still starting and don't speak a foreign language, I'd suggest starting with video transcription. And I guess that $1.25 per minute is enough. So right now, when you scroll down to the very bottom of this website, you can see here, Become a Freelancer. You'll see here freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev, a work schedule that is extremely adaptable. You can pick and choose among hundreds of jobs and you'll get paid regularly on a weekly basis. you can receive your money on time and in a reliable manner. At this point, I'd like to introduce you to another website that you may join for free. There's also transcribeme.com, which is another option. Now that you've arrived at this website, you'll notice that there are a few career opportunities here. You may type and earn money online, such as transcription or translation. I'd like you to concentrate on transcription again. As you can see, we pay more than anyone. We have the industry batch rate with earnings starting at $15 per audio hour, rising to $22 per audio hour, and a top monthly earning of $2,200 US. Okay, it's very, very high. And as you can see here, $22 per audio hour may go onto the online calculator or obtain $22 per hour. If you do it for 5 hours, you may earn $110 per day. But this is paying you so much less than Rev.com. That's exactly why I advise you to set aside some time and join Rev.com, because it's a superior option. If you want more potential and build multiple streams of income, that's a good enough reason to actually join both. You can join Rev.com and then you can go ahead and join TranscribeMe.com so you have more leeway, because sometimes you can find jobs on Rev.com, or you can just go to TranscribeMe.com to find actual work that you can use through your computer or your phone. So if you want to join, just go ahead and click on the Join Today button right here, and you'll be sent to a page where you may join. What's great about this website is that you can do it from your phone or your computer, and they have very flexible work hours and timetables, so you can work at your own pace. The best part is that they sometimes only offer you 2 or 4 minute clips, so it's absolutely not lengthy at all. Just imagine if you spend half an hour transcribing, or even an hour, you'll also be earning much. All you have to do is put in your first name, your last name, and email address. Make sure to put your real email for the confirmation link for your account activation. It's essential that you check your email, including your spam box and promotional tabs, to ensure that you don't miss any emails from them. And then you can put in your password and confirm your password right here. Then put your PayPal address so that they can send you the payment. Once again, always have the time to check your email, because they will send you verification details to an email inbox, which is very important for you to improve your typing speed, because they will sometimes ask you what your typing speed is. This is where you can access typingtest.com. And once you finish a test, for example, I do these tests right here, and they show me the results. If you're wondering what my typing speed is in terms of how many words per minute, you can take a typing test on this website. If you get about 60 words per minute, you can take a screenshot of that report and send it to them via email. This is your typing speed, and it is because of it that they will approve you for more job opportunities, because they may not accept you if you type too slowly, or else you can join some free courses right here on this website to improve, or even double your typing speed so that they can be accepted for more job opportunities. Just make sure that you can type quickly and you will surely earn more each day. And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.